Okay, let's start off this problem by doing some basic review of what we're even talking about. Because every single linear equation we're looking at in this unit follows the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form always follows y equals mx plus b. M in this formula is always representing our slope. So that would be how steep the line is. We're going to find that by counting rise over run. In the formula then, this number on the end, b, is the y-intercept. This is going to be our starting value, especially when we're thinking about some of those word problems. And it's also going to be where our graph crosses the y-axis. So in this beginning problem, all I'm asking you to do is look at the equation and pick out the important information. I'm asking you, what is the slope? Well, the slope is always the number that is sitting in front of the x. Another way to think about it is it's the number that's kind of attached to the x because they're being multiplied. So when I look in the problem and I try to pinpoint where the x is, I see that it's here in the beginning. Slope is always a single number, so the number that's sitting in front of x on this problem is 4. So slope must be 4 in this equation. That leaves me with the y-intercept that I need to identify. So y-intercept is always the number that's being added or subtracted onto the end. So when I look at this problem, the thing that's being added or subtracted onto the end is that 5. But one thing you do need to be careful of is if there is a minus sign like there is here, that acts as a negative when I'm identifying the y-intercept.